Hi, today I will show you the complete process of pivot table in Excel. So, what are pivot table in Excel and how to use pivot table in Excel? So, for learning pivot table in Excel, stay with me at end of the video. So let's start, friends. Pivot table in Excel is a very important part of Microsoft Excel, using which you can easily edit a lot of data in just a few minutes. So friends, I will show you the complete process step by step by pressing on this table here. It is a very simple table. So friends, you can see here, I have designed a table where I have taken employee name, item quantity, rate and amount, and here I have also added some data. I will show you the complete process by basing it on the pan. So friends, to use pivot table in Microsoft Excel, first of all, you have to click on Detail. This will happen that when you apply the bootable option, this table will be automatically selected. Now you have to go to the inspector in these steps. After this, you have to click on the first option. This is Pivot Table. After clicking, you can see that your entire table has been selected in the bill range. Friends, you can also select the table manually according to your choice. Here you will get two options at the bottom. The first is New Worksheet, and the second is Existing Worksheet. If you select New Worksheet and click OK, then your pivot table will open in a new sheet. And if you want to save the bootable in the same sheet, then after clicking on System Development, you have to choose the location here and click OK. I will select the default option New Worksheet here and just click OK once. As soon as I click, my pivot table will start in a new sheet. So friends, you can see here that my tab development has opened here. On the right side, you can see here that the names of all the problems will be shown to you here. Look at this employee name, ITM quantity rate amount. And at the bottom, you will find four options here. The first one is filter, the second one is lumps, the third one is daily, and the last one is 3-4. Drops. You can put all the fields here and alert the updater that the tablet should stop. Friends, first of all, I will select the item, fill here and back down, and grow it in the filter box. And with this, friends, here, you can see the item has been added right above the film, Rashid. Now I will add employee name here, which I will activate here. See my employee name, which has been added till the column here after this. I will add quantity here just by clicking on quantity. See this? Quantity has been added in merit. Now I will show you, friend, by selecting some data from the box of item on the top side, if you use any item. Here I have discussed this, friends, and we will press OK. After pressing OK, see how much the hard drive had spread among how many employees? You will get the report here. You can click on any item and press OK. I have pressed OK here, and will also click OK. After pressing OK, you will see how many employees have sold how many hard drives. You will get the complete report here. Any item used to grow due to the fear of benefits. See, this report has come out here. Just like this, you can extract the sales report here. If you click on the printer here, then select all and grow Jyoti. Then see, all the data will come here. Friends, now I will add one more field here, which is amount. We will activate it. After activating it, see, the amount has also been added. Now you can use the filter button here to find the sales report of less than the employers. Quantity and amount means you can extract the complete sales report here. Following the same process, you will have to go to the filter button for this. That is, you will have to go to the filter button of the item and click on it. After clicking, when you select any item here, suppose I have used UP here. After that, I will click on OK once. After clicking, see here how many employees have sealed UPA and in what quantity they have sold it and what was its amount. You will get all that data here. You can also extract the data of any item by selecting it here. I have selected LED here and will click OK once. After clicking OK, see how many employees have sealed LED and in what quantity they have sold it and what is its amount. It has come out here. You can use any item here and extract its data here. And to see all the data at once, go to the Filter button of the item and click on it. After clicking on All, you will have to click on OK. After clicking OK, all the data will be removed. That it has reached here, so friends, I have shown you Pivot Table in Excel. Thanks, take care, and bye.